friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can solve Bluetooth problem whenever you are trying to connect your Bluetooth, but Bluetooth it's not connecting and there is a problem. So how you can solve your Bluetooth problem, right? So before we continue this video, do not forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, so let's move on setting, and first do not forget to like my video. Okay, and you can see here my channel will be only tech, and here you can see this setting. Just tap on setting, then after that here you can search network, or you can scroll down also. Whenever you're scrolling down, just scroll fastly because it's on the last option, this system. Okay, just tap on this system. When you move on this system, here you can see the reset phone option. You have to click on reset phone. When you click on reset phone, friends, here you can see the first option is the reset Wi-Fi network setting. So just tap on reset Wi-Fi network setting and click on reset. When you click on the reset, friends, here your Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem, Bluetooth problem, network problem, internet problem, every problem will solve. So please click on reset. Don't worry, your data will not be lost. Okay, it's about only network, that's why. Okay friends, so if you have net problem, then just click on reset and it will be solved. And friends, if it doesn't solve your Bluetooth problem, okay, you still have your problem while following these steps also. Okay, please try to check another mobile phone Bluetooth also. Whoever knows, okay, that Bluetooth on that mobile phone Bluetooth also having problem. If two mobile phone doesn't have problems, then you should try to check, just reset your phone. Okay, that's the way what you can do. Maybe you have problem in your phone. Okay, you just click on erase all data and erase your everything. Okay, just erase your phone. When you erase, before erasing your phone, please do not forget to backup your photos, videos. Okay friends, here is your backup option. You can backup to Google Drive. Okay, after backup only you can reset your phone. Who knows, your phone became slow, that's why I'm just giving you this option. Okay, if it's not solved. Okay, and friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.